Come on. Come on. Come on. He's got 2 youngs to feed. Here it comes.
A few months ago, I was sitting in the garden having a cup of coffee with a few Ritz biscuits, and I saw this blackbird running across the lawn. So I cut a bit of the Ritz biscuits and I threw it onto the lawn. He turned back, he came and grabbed it. And after about a few minutes, he came back again, as if to say, "Have you got any more?" So I gave him a few more. And since then, he's became my friend. Every morning, he comes up to the kitchen window looking for me. Sometimes he comes up to the bedroom window. I've got a video of this to prove it. So now I'm going to test him with some fruit. I know Ritz biscuit is not good for him, so I'm going to give him some fruit, and then I'm going to test him with Ritz biscuit, which he prefers, and see which one he goes for. I guarantee it will be Ritz biscuits, because I tried them with mealworms, I tried them with seeds, but he always comes back for Ritz.
Very windy today, and it's been belting down with rain last night and this morning. Let's see if Mr. Ritzy comes. I'll call him Ritzy because he's very partial to a Ritz. I tested him out on a mealworm, bird seeds, but he keeps going for the Ritz biscuits. Ritz biscuits are no good for him. They're too salty and cheesy. So I'm going to have my coffee here and see if he comes. Come on. Come on. Come on, you're on a diet. That's it. Banana. Look at him, scoffed it. He's going to take it to the nest. What's that he's got? Banana?
I know. Might feel great. He'd probably eat it all, so I'll leave it there.
Oh, he'll eat the whole lot. He's taking it to the nest. You're not getting Ritz. Just for a test, I want to put some Ritz biscuits that he loves down here. And I got the fruits in that bowl. As a test, let's see which ones he goes to.
You might not know that that's on the table, do you think? No, you don't know it's there. Oh, I don't know so much.
Yep, Ritz wins all the time.
He see that from there.
Of course he did.
Oh yeah, I think he's going to go on the table.
Yeah.
Mm.
He's going to take it to the nest, regurgitate it. He's going to fly off in a minute to the left. Yeah. Yeah, conclusive evidence. He loves Ritz. He's left the fruit. He's going to go on there and take the Ritz. That's it. That's enough Ritz for you for today. What a miserable day. 6th of June, and it's so windy and raining. It's coming back. There are no more Ritz. It's no more. Oh, there's one bit left. Oh, you took both of them. Okay. Again, it's gone to the left. Oh. It's starting to rain, so I'm going inside, let him get on with it.